So it's not done. Here we go. Pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5. Beard Machine FPV having some issues back at the line. Sounds like maybe a backwards prop. Or at least one not in the correct direction. So now it's a race not to be last. Yeah. But you just don't want to be last in this one. We've already got fourths figured out. We're hearing a lot of conversation about the Hydra FPV app, who they placed where. Remember, this is only lap 1. Here comes Crete 6, your leader after 1. And he's got a good lead. If I was a spotter, I'd be saying, simmer down, just take it easy. Crete 6 with a 10-second lead over Linens, running in the number 2 spot on that lead lap. And now I'm looking at Goose FPV doing flippy floppies out in the field. Goose is back up. Ooh, your leader just bit the low end of the tower. A 10-second lead is going to get a little tighter. Fighting it hard. Let's wave it. Are we getting ready to wave a checkered flag? Almost. I'm holding it up. I'm ready to wave it. And let's give it to Crete 6. 2 laps in a minute 53 to win race number 5. He stays alive and goes to race number 9. And now, oh no, Linens with more issues. Goose FPV is on the same lead lap. So even though Goose FPV had some damage, you can see him going really, really slow. Linens is crashed out, trying to make it to the start-finish gate. This may be... He's stuck in one of the tie straps to the tower. What a way to go out. What a way to go out. I don't think you're going to get out. I'm getting super dizzy watching his FPV feed in that top left. So let's not, yeah, the pass happened. Our judge is watching Goose FPV, says just when he just got passed. And so Goose FPV is going to pull up second and stay alive going to race number 9. And so now, quad retrieval underway. There'll be no channel changes. Crete 6 and Goose FPV are going to race number 9. And we're 16th overall for Beard Machine and 15th overall in this next 16 bracket. Finishing inside of our top 32, and it'll be a Collegiate Drone Racing Championship send-off for them. All right. We're going to try and do a gate repair as fast as we can. Our ground crew, the fastest ground crew in drone racing. Gonna go fix it for us. And then we'll get back racing.